Here's how to fix the camera if it's not working in Roblox Mobile. Now first just head out of the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android and open up the settings instead. Within the settings, we need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps, and then scroll down until you get to Roblox on this list. We need to make sure that you've given Roblox access to your camera. So tap on it, and if you see access to your camera turned on here or turned off, make sure it is enabled. In some instances, it might not show up, just the microphone is turned on here. You can see if that's turned off, just turn it on. The next thing we'll do is go in the Roblox app. Within the Roblox app, let's tap on the More button at the very bottom right. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to Settings and tap on that. Now from here, all we need to do is choose that third option, Privacy and Content Restrictions. And then from here, the third option, Communication. There you can see is Camera Input. Let's make sure this is turned on. So if that is turned off, just toggle it on. Now I'll show you what to do in the game itself to make sure it is working. So let's hop out of here and let's open up a game. Let's, for instance, open up Steal a Brain Rot and hit play. Now let me turn this over so that you can see it a bit better once it loads. And once it loads, we're going to do a couple different things on here. The first thing that we're going to do is tap on the Roblox icon at the very top left, and then we're going to get over to Settings. Now you can see camera mode here. You might want to switch this from default over to classic or follow and just test out different default modes or camera modes to see if one works and the other one doesn't. The next thing we're going to do is scroll down to the very bottom because you can see here camera inverted. Try to switch this on if it's off, or if it's on, switch this off and check to see if it works by toggling that on or off. And then again, at the very top, switching the camera mode to different options, and the camera should be working at that point.